Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the SUMIF and SUMIFs function. So the SUMIF and SUMIFs functions are functions that combine the sum and the if functions. And they're used when we want to sum up something with one or more criteria. So let's look at some examples. Here's the list of the players. Here their position, the conference that they play in, and the team they play for. And this is the data from 2023 and 2024 season. And then this is their salary. So for the first question, what's the total salary that the Detroit Pistons player earned in the 2023 and 2024 season? So in this case, since there's only one criteria that we're trying to meet, we want to use the SUMIF function. So what we want to do here is we do equal SUMIF. So for the range, it's basically the range that we want to insert the criteria. So in this case, it asks for the Detroit Pistons, so we know that it's the team. So we select the team column, which is column D. So for the criteria, it's basically what we want to insert. So in this case, the Detroit Pistons. So the sum range is basically the range that we want to sum up. So something that we want to add them together. So in this case, it's a salary. So we want to select all the salary column. Now we hit enter. We know that all the Detroit players combined earned about $123 million in the 2023 and 2024 season. For the second question, what is the total salary that the point guards of Dallas Mavericks earned in the 2023 and 2024 season? So in this case, since there are two criteria, the point guard and the team Dallas Mavericks, we want to use the SUMIF function, SUMIFs function. So what we want to do here is we do equal SUMIFs. So this one is a little bit different because for SUMIF, we put in the criteria range first, but for SUMIFs, we want to put in the sum range first. So in this case, the salary. So for criteria range 1 is basically the first criteria range that we want to insert the criteria. So in this case, it asks for the point guard, so PG, so we know that it's the position, which is column B. Comma. So for criteria 1, we want to put in PG because it asks for the point guard. So for the second criteria, we know that it's Dallas Mavericks, so it's the team. So we select column D, which is the team. And then for criteria 2, we want to put in Dallas Mavericks. Now we know that the total salary that the point guards in Dallas earned in 2023 and 2024 season is about $77 million. So to do a check, we can go filter the teams for the first question by Detroit Pistons. And then we add up all the salary. So it's about $133 million, which matches the number here. And then for the second question, we can filter the team by Dallas Mavericks. And we can filter the position by point guard. So we sum up the two numbers, it's $77 million, which matches the $77 million here in the answer. Alright, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.